Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the bloody delicious world of cheese. We're talking about the top 5 most popular cheese dishes on the planet that you absolutely need to try. If you think you know cheese, you've got another thing coming. We're going on a culinary journey from the Swiss Alps to the heart of Rome, so buckle up and get ready to have your taste buds tantalized. Let's get started. Switzerland, a land of breathtaking landscapes and culinary wonders. You gave us chocolate and these 2 cheesy masterpieces that have become global sensations. First up, fondue. We're talking about a bubbling cauldron of melted cheese, just begging you to dunk crusty bread into it. It's a communal experience, perfect for cozy gatherings. Get some good sourdough, none of that supermarket rubbish. The bread needs to be robust enough to hold up to the rich, gooey cheese. And raclette? Don't even get me started. This dish is a cheese lover's dream come true. Imagine this, perfectly melted cheese, scraped fresh off the wheel, cascading over fluffy potatoes. It's a sight to behold and a taste to savor. You can add some cured meats on the side, but let's be honest, the cheese is the star of the show. The meats are just a supporting act. These dishes are all about sharing, about gathering your mates around a table and digging in. It's about the joy of communal eating. It's messy, it's social, it's bloody brilliant. The laughter, the conversation, the shared experience make it unforgettable. Just make sure you've got enough napkins, you'll need them. Trust me, things are going to get deliciously messy. From the Swiss Alps, we're heading straight to the heart of Rome, the city of gladiators and glorious food. And when it comes to cheese dishes, it doesn't get more iconic than cacio e pepe. Perfectly cooked pasta, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. That's it, trust me, your taste buds will thank you. This simple yet delicious dish is a must-try for any cheese lover. Listen up, Yanks, you might have messed up a lot of things, but you absolutely nailed it with mac and cheese. This dish is a testament to your culinary creativity. This is comfort food at its finest, the kind of dish that takes you straight back to your childhood. Remember those cozy family dinners and the joy of that first cheesy bite? We're talking about perfectly cooked macaroni, smothered in a creamy cheesy sauce. Some like it sharp, some like it mild, but everyone agrees on one thing, it's gotta be cheesy. The more cheese, the better. It's the ultimate comfort factor. And don't be shy with the toppings. Crispy breadcrumbs add that perfect crunch, bacon bits bring a savory punch, and jalapenos add a spicy kick. Go wild with your choices. Mac and cheese is a blank canvas, just waiting for you to make it your own. Experiment with different cheeses, spices, and toppings. So get creative, get cheesy, and get ready for a taste of pure comfort. Dive into that bowl and let the flavors take over. Now we're heading to the heart of Europe, to the Czech Republic, for a dish that's not for the faint of heart, Smaz Sear. This is deep-fried cheese, my friends, and it's as glorious as it sounds, breaded and fried to golden perfection, held together with tangy tartar sauce, served with fries, the ultimate indulgence, the kind of street food you dream about. Hunt down a plate of Smaz Sear and savor every bite. Finally, we're ending our cheesy adventure in the Caucasus region with a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious Khachapuri. This is Georgian cheese bread and it's in a league of its own. Picture this, a boat-shaped bread filled to the brim with melted cheese. The crust is crispy, the cheese is gooey, and it's often topped with an egg and a knob of butter. As you tear into the bread, the egg yolk mixes with the cheese, creating a sauce that's absolutely divine. Khachapuri is a celebration of cheese, a dish that's meant to be shared and enjoyed with good company. It's the perfect way to end our cheesy journey, leaving you satisfied and craving for more. The combination of textures and flavors is simply irresistible. The crispy crust contrasts beautifully with the creamy melted cheese, and the richness of the egg yolk adds an extra layer of decadence. Whether you're enjoying it in a cozy Georgian home or at a bustling street market, Khachapuri brings people together. It's more than just food, it's an experience, a tradition, and a taste of Georgian hospitality. So, as we take our final bite, let's savor the moment and appreciate the culinary artistry that goes into making this iconic dish. Until our next food adventure, Khachapuri will remain a delicious memory. So there you have it, the top 5 most popular cheese dishes in the world. From the Swiss Alps to the Caucasus, we've explored the diverse and delicious world of cheese. And I hope you're ready to get your cheese on. If you enjoyed this cheesy adventure, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more culinary journeys. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which cheese dish you're dying to try. Until next time, stay cheesy, my friends.